severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Brazos County in southeastern Texas until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bryan, moving northeast at 30 to 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northwestern Bryan and Wixon Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.